Hi, very good morning all.
Good morning, sir.
Welcome to the session. In the last session means this is the second session, right?
Yes, sir.
We completed with the first session, second session, SQL session this one. Actually, we are okay. So in the last session, we have done with SQL introduction. Okay. We are done with SQL introduction. We have done in the last session. So what are the databases available? What are the similarities between different databases? Then we have gone through 5 different languages of SQL. That is DDL, DML, DRL, DCL, and TCL and all. So hope you remember, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have gone through the different functions in the 5 languages of SQL. So today we continue with some more functions also. Then we'll go for constraints. So already we have gone through how to create table, insert, alter, rename, update, rename a column and all. So we will go for a rename column today. Yesterday we have not gone through that. And then we'll go for to change the data type. Or already if you are maybe you have set a particular data type, then I want to change the data type. How I can do that without deleting the along with that table itself. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
already you have created a table. How you can able to change the data type? Data type means, for example, you have made a set of maybe you have set for varchar. I want to change it to number now. Okay.
Sir.
So how it is possible? How we can do that? We will go through that. So we will go through alter now. So alter we can do alter table name. So yesterday we created one table, right? That one, what is the name? Naresh, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, select star from Naresh. Yeah, this is the table we created. In this, for example, I want to change any one column name. Okay. So, for example, let me change this. What to say? See this one. This mobile number is there, no?
Yes, sir.
This mobile number will mention as something like what we will mention. Similarity to mobile number, we will put as phone number.
Sir.
Just we will mention as phone number or contact number or mobile, only mobile contact, anything we can do. So alter table Naresh. Table Naresh. Modify. Sorry, rename. Column. Column old name. Column old name is mobile number. To phone number. Okay. Mention as phone number. Alter table Naresh. Rename all column mobile number to phone number. Yeah, it is now altered, right? Showing as altered.
Yes, sir.
Now, if you go and see select start from Naresh, you'll see phone number here. Okay.
So after selecting this complete line,
Yeah.
how it is showing the whole row as blue thing, sir? What is the function I have to press for that?
I'm not getting what your question. Actually, what is your question? After
Select from
select
Naresh.
start. Yeah, select start from Naresh. Okay. Yeah, select start. So whatever your table name you want to mention there. Naresh is the table name we created previously.
Okay,
so
sir.
Now select start from Naresh. You can select any name while creating whatever your name given. That name you want to try out here.
Okay, sir.
Any doubt? Any other doubt? Yesterday's class, any other doubt is there overall?
No, sir.
Fine. Okay. So now we will go for how to change the varchar.
What?
That varchar means so I want to change it to mobile number to varchar. For example, in mobile number, you see, suppose I have mobile number mobile number, some more changes is there. Okay, so for example, you take it as okay, you will see that this mobile number is we have given for if you want to see the structure of the table, okay, what is the limit we have given? To see that, what you want to do is describe Naresh. Okay, describe Naresh like that. So you will see like this. Okay, see, these are table describe. It is doing the description. Customer ID.
It shows only the detail of a single customer.
Yes, customer ID. No, not customer. Structure it will show.
Okay, sir.
What is the table structure it will show. It will not show the data.
Okay, sir.
Customer ID, number, and whatever the number you have given. Limit. This is a limit actually. It will not allow more than 10 years.
Yes, sir.
Characters. It will not allow more than 20. It will not allow more than 40. Like that, we have already previous setting like that. Okay. So if I want to make it increase it, okay, increase it, or I want to change it to phone number into like character. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I can do? So what I can do is we can do the modify option here only. How we can do that is when that also alter only alter table Naresh modify see already we have done with worker only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me change it as okay, I'll do one thing. I will truncate it first of all. Because in the previous data, it is already worker. I will just done. So instead of number, I will 10 for worker only.
Yes.
Why? Why means it is having some characters and all in this. Characters means you see here. For example, select start from Naresh. See, this is a plus is there, no?
Yes, sir.
This is coming under character. It is not under Naresh. So I have given us a varchar for this.
Yes, sir.
So usually it will not be like this, but that kind of scenario also may also come. Okay.
Okay.
So that is why I just made it. So let me do one thing. I will remove that and I will let it be number now. Okay. So don't want to put 91 and all. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So vice versa, you can also plan. Like now I am doing with varchar to number I am converting. So you can by practice in the practice you can make it vice versa. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You can make it as a phone to number. You can convert or number to phone, whatever you want. Number to varchar also you can convert it. Okay.
Yes,
so
sir.
let alter table Naresh modify mobile number to number. So you see some error may come now. I will allow to get the error. Then only will ask some question. Then only you can able to understand it. Okay. Modify. Modify phone number. Modify phone number. Varchar number. Number. Let it be 30. 20 is enough. No? Number. So you may face some error now. See what it is saying.
Here starting at the line alter table. Column to be modified must be empty to change the data type.
Yeah. Why it is saying like that? Any idea? So why it is saying like that is, okay.
Sir.
So already it has some data
Huh.
which is related to
Number.
previous data, okay, previous
Huh,
data
sir.
type. When
Huh,
you
sir.
change the column, so it will mismatch, no?
Yes, sir.
It will give you wrong data, okay. So that in advance it is saying that you remove the data first, then only I will change.
Yes, sir.
Getting point?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what it is saying is column to be modified must be empty to change data type. Column to be modified must be empty to change data type. So that is what we have to make it empty first of all. So to make it empty, we can do some more thing. How if I want to make it empty means we have a lot of record now. How you will make it empty? If you make it empty, how you will manage with the data? Where you will get the data again, right?
Yes, sir.
You have some 10,000 records, some 1 lakh records and all, no?
Yes, sir.
In that scenario, what you will do? So for that, we have some solution. Like what we can do is we will have an option like backup. Okay.
Huh, sir.
Backup means let me do a backup here. Create table. So carefully you want to observe, then only you can better understand.
Yes, sir.
Nourish backup. So I'm creating a backup here. Create table backup. As select star from Nourish. As select star from Nourish. Okay. So what is the meaning for this? So select star from Nourish, whatever is there, same data or same structure you bring into Nourish backup. This is a name. This is a table you are going to create now. Nourish backup in the name of Nourish underscore backup. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in this name we are going to create. So as select star from, meaning what is the meaning is whatever is there in this Nourish, it will come to backup. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I will. Okay, name is already used by an existing object. Name is already. Okay. So already this is there, it is telling. Okay.
Already backup is done.
Yeah, backup is done already. So if you go and see, select start from Naresh backup, you may get, okay. I think I might have done this. See, it is there, no?
Yes, sir.
So for example, for the learning purpose, let me drop it. Let me remove this, okay? Drop, then only you can able to learn that, no? Drop
Yes,
table, Naresh backup. Let me remove this and we will create again. Drop table, Naresh backup. It is dropped, okay?
Yes, sir.
Dropped means the table is totally gone.
Created.
So now if you go and see in select start from, it will not show anything. It's saying view does not exist. So you
Yes,
can
sir.
see now if you create, it will create, right? Backup. It is created, right?
Huh, sir.
So now if you see, it is there.
Already.
So select start from backup. So now we have this column. So what is the next step? What we can do is with this. So we'll do the truncate. What we'll do is we'll do the truncate of narration. That original narration is there, no?
Yes, sir.
Now we got a backup. After taking the backup, we can truncate it. No, truncate it means what will happen? It will not remove the table structure. It will remove only the data. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So truncate table array. Truncate table array. So now truncated. Naresh is truncated. You go and see the Naresh table. It will show what it will show.
Only the data it will show, sir.
Only the structure it will show.
Okay, sir.
It will not show the data. Okay.
Oh, you have truncated. Okay, sir.
Yes, truncate means it will remove the data. It will not remove the structure. Structure means table.
Yes, sir.
So now you have a backup of you have not lost your data,
Yes, sir.
but you are trying to recover it now. This is the process. So next, what no data, it's empty now. So now we can do one thing. Now you do that whatever you want to do the changes with this, because it was asking you remove the data, then only I will change. It was telling no.
To modify the phone number.
Now we can do the modification. Alter table Naresh. Alter table Naresh. Modify. What is our requirement?
Changing the number of in phone number, sir. Number of limit of the phone number.
Yeah. So what we have to do is we have to change the. It is already in varchar to phone number. Modify phone number to number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the number we'll give? We'll give some 20. It will change now, right?
Yes, sir.
It should change now. Should not give any error now. It is done, right?
Yes, sir.
So it is now we modified the data type from varchar to number. Similarly, you can do the practice with number to varchar also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I have given the notes of this and all. See, in these notes and all, you can see that very clearly.
Yes, sir.
I shared one screen, right? In this screen. Yeah, this screen you can able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
So see this Oracle day 2. Yesterday I sent in the WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Same only actually. Okay. Just go through this. Okay. So it will have some hints what to do and all, how to do everything. It will be there in this. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So if you are not getting anything, or if you're not getting any clarity, you just get back to me. I will help out. Okay.
Okay.
So we'll go for the next. So what we have done now, we changed the data type from number to varchar to phone number. Varchar to number we converted. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So next, what we will do is so now you can do the insertion. Okay, insert into Naresh. You can do. How you can do? So insert into Naresh. Select start from Naresh. Backup. Got it?
Yes, sir.
What you understood? 3 rows inserted. What is the synonym we have mentioned? Insert into Naresh. Select star from Naresh backup. So whatever is there in the Naresh backup, it is come to Naresh also now. Okay. So you go and see in the Naresh. Select star from Naresh. Okay. So your
Yes.
problem is rectified now.
Yes,
So you have got an opportunity to change this thing and all. Now you can, if you want, you can update your mobile number and all, whatever is there. So you can change it to any phone number and all. How to change the number? Any you have any remembrance? So last week, in the last class we spoken, right? How to change the, how to
Yes,
update the record, how to update the record, how to update the data. How we will do that? Not remember, right?
so 1 minute.
So we, yeah. No problem, no problem. Only you are entered. I don't want to big you too much. Okay. So what we can do is update table. Okay.
Sir.
Update table. Update not table. Update Naresh directly, not table also.
Yes, sir.
Then set mobile number. Set phone number is equal to, let me put my number 944805273. Where we have to put a where class here. Where I want to give a reference now.
Yes, sir. Where to change?
So where, which number I want to change? Where phone number is there. Set
Sir.
phone number is equal to 5944. Yavudukke maduku. Which number, which column, which row I want to change it. For that, I want to put a where. Where I will change this one. Okay. So where customer ID is equal to cust ID is equal to 2000. Now it is updated, right? One row
Yes,
updated.
sir. Yes, sir.
So you go and see now. It is updated here. Okay. Similarly, you can update for this also. Anything you can do. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm done with this. Now, next we can go through backup. We have done. You got the idea, no? How to do the
Yes,
backup?
sir. Yes, sir.
So why we do the backup? Backup, whenever you want to change any data type, at that time the system is not allowing, it is giving error. So
Yes,
that
sir.
what we are doing, first of all, we will take a backup. Select start from and so on. So now the table name and underscore backup.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
As select start from the original table name. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we will create a backup table and we will do whatever. We will do the truncate. We will do the truncate of the original table, and then we will do the changes, whatever that data type.
Yes, sir.
And it will allow. Then we will back up whatever is there that we are the data we are inserting into the original table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is how we solve this issue.
Yes, sir.
So the next thing we will go for, what we will do is, so rollback and all we have done. So important topic, we have come to another important topic now, that is constraints. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me share one more screen that you can see that. Can you able to see, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is what constraints in Oracle. Okay. Previously, we have seen an important topic is 5 different languages we have seen: DDL, DML, DRL, DCL, TCL, and all, right? Similarly, in that we have seen different functions like insert, how to create a table, how to manage with that and all, right? So in constraints in Oracle is an important topic. Lot of interview questions would come with this also. Okay. Lot of questions would come in that also. Okay. What is there in that 5 different languages? In that also, so many questions will come. How we will rename the table, how we will insert, how we will modify, everything they will ask in the interview. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you go through all this, you are almost going near to the towards your goal. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So constraints in Oracle. Constraints in Oracle. In this we have 5 keys here. Keys. Okay. See, first of all, we have primary key, and we have not null key, and we have unique key, and check key, and foreign key. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting any idea about this? Did you ever heard of all these topics and all, or first time?
No, sir. First time, sir.
Yeah, okay, that's great. Whatever. So primary key means if you take a record of a customer, okay, you are taking some records from them. You are collecting some data from a customer. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in that time, what you will do? Are you able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir.
This is the new screen, right?
Yes, sir. I'm able to see.
Yeah. Okay. This you see here. For example, this is a customer data. Okay. So this customer ID is there, customer name is there, mobile number is there, and age is there, and city ID is there. Okay.
Yes.
This is a basic customer data. Maybe someone collected or you have collected, whatever. Okay. So yes, what is happening here is you want to see the basic. We have to put some basic common sense here. So what we have to do is when you go for a customer ID, okay, customer ID, that number should be very unique, right?
Yes, sir.
That ID will not come to other person, correct?
Yes, sir.
It will not have a duplicate. You and another person, it will not have the same customer ID, correct?
Yes, sir.
For example, you go to anything, you go to your employee ID in your company or your account number in a bank, okay?
Yes, sir. Cannot be same.
Everything, whatever you will have a unique number, right?
Yes, sir.
So not all the things like that. Only this kind of things, this customer ID and all, okay?
Yes, sir.
But so
Which can be same, name can be same.
Yeah, the primary key, it has some rules. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the rules is this only. Primary key, it will not allow duplicate value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It will not allow null also. Only one primary key in a table. These are the 3 conditions for primary key.
It will not allow null also means what is null thing?
Yeah. So let me one. It will not allow duplicate value means it will not allow the duplicate value. Okay.
Same thing we cannot.
Yeah, same number it will not repeat.
Yes, sir.
Usually for customer ID or any ID, if you take any table, it will have a ID column.
Yes, sir.
For product table, it will have a product ID. Okay.
Yes,
customer table, customer ID. Okay. See here, customer ID, no? This is the customer table. That is why it's customer name, mobile number, and all you have seen.
Yes, sir.
So in this, similarly for product ID, product table, product ID will be there. Okay. Similarly for location table, location ID will be there. Whatever you take in that ID, the primary key will be given for that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what is the basic rule is, this is what the rule. It will not allow duplicate value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then it will not allow null. You asked the question, right?
Yes, sir.
So it will not allow null means it will not be null means what to say, empty. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It cannot be empty, no. Some number should be there, right?
Yes, sir.
We cannot blank. We cannot leave it as blank. Correct.
Yes, sir.
That is what null. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So it will not allow null. If you have to do something, you have to give something. Then only it will go for the next step.
Yes, sir.
While registering something and all, it will ask, right? In the online registration, something it will and all, it will ask, you have to give some name, then only it will go for the next step. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that is called primary key. Okay. It's a mandatory key. It should be there. Something. You cannot leave it blank and go to the next step, right? So,
Yes, sir.
and one more thing, for every table, only one primary key can be given.
Okay, sir.
So, for example, here in this table, for only this column is having the primary key. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, primary key will not repeat for any other column here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So that is a basic rule of primary key. You understand clearly. Okay.
Yes.
So this is a pakka questions. All these questions in different scenario, different interviews, these questions will be asked actually for sure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Not only for your interview, for your understanding, for your work in the future. Okay, in the job. Okay. So primary key, it's a very, everyone knows this. Primary key, the basic rule, if they ask, you want to tell, it will not allow null, it will not have the duplicate, it will have only one in a table. Okay.
In a table, yes.
These rules we have to understand, basic things. You want to understand all this. It will not allow duplicate value, it will not allow null, it will only one primary key in a table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
For example, the given employee ID, product ID, customer ID, user ID, account number, and all, right?
Yes, sir.
In this, actually, composite key, one option is there. Composite key means they will make a combination of two columns. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That also you can give as primary key. For example, customer ID
Cannot
plus
be
mobile
changed.
number.
Sir.
Yeah, customer ID plus mobile number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
In this case, you see this and this can be combination done. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So both can be made as a combination. In that case, unique will not be used. Okay.
Yes.
So
Same there also primary key will be there.
yeah. Both are combined actually. It is not separately you cannot do. Separately you cannot make it as a here one primary key, here one primary key. Not like that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Single primary key for both columns like that. That is possible.
Yes,
But there cannot be two primary key for two columns in a table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what the rule in this. So we will go for the next. What is that? Not null. Okay. So not null means just now we spoken. What is not null? It will not
Yes.
allow null. It will not allow blank. Okay.
Sir.
It will not allow null value. Null value means there is no value. Okay.
Sir.
So it will allow duplicate. It will allow duplicate. In this case, it will not allow duplicate, but null value will allow the duplicate. Why? See, in this case, customer name is there, right?
Sir. It can be same. Customer
Can
will
be
same.
Yeah, customer name can be duplicate will come, no? Same
Yes,
name
sir.
come for, it will come for many customers, right?
Yes, sir.
But without customer name, any table can be there?
No, sir.
Some name will be there, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is what null, not null. This is one of the key. Okay. This is a not null key. It is having two rules. What is that? It will not be, it cannot be null.
It not be
and-
empty.
Yeah. You want to say null only here. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or generally you can say empty or no or whatever. Okay. But in this SQL, we have to mention as null only. That is
Okay,
a technical word. So
Yes, sir.
not null.
Not null.
Not null means no null. It will not allow null.
Yes, sir.
And it will not allow duplicate. Sorry, it will allow duplicate.
Allow duplicate. Yes, sir.
It can be there, right? So that is
Yes,
what.
sir.
So for the next step, we'll go for unique. So unique, no? Here, unique. This is what is this? Mobile number. Mobile number will be always unique, right?
Yes, sir.
Mobile number cannot be same for two person, right?
Yes, sir.
So that is one of the rule, and it will allow null also. Sometimes some people will not have the phone number, right?
Yes, sir.
You cannot say why you are not having phone number. I will not register. You cannot say like that. He may say,
Yes.
I am not using phone. Maybe current scenario, everyone will have a phone, but previously and all, the phone will not be there for everyone, right?
Yes, sir.
So the same rule is there now also. For unique means it will not allow the duplicate, but it will allow null.
Yes, sir.
You cannot mention, you don't want to mention anything, you can leave as it is. It will not make it as a mandatory. Okay. But it will not allow duplicate. If someone, it is already registered in a phone number, same number cannot be repeated for any other customer.
Yes, sir.
So that it will take care. That is called unique key. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Got it. So next step, what we can do, we'll go for check constraint. This is called checker.
Yes, sir.
So it will do the data validation. Data validation, how it will do? It will see the age. Okay, age. For example, age is there. So above 18 only this site can be open, or above 18 something and all is there, like
Yes,
above
sir.
18 only some few things is allowed. Some
Yes, sir.
those you go and see even in YouTube also some videos it will ask you should have to be more than 18, something
Yes,
like that. So that time is there, and even if it is you go for some banking and also the bank
Yes, sir.
also, if you want to open an account, it should be 18 should be there, and otherwise you can open a what to say children account with the support of father. That is called joint account. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So without joint account, a person within less 80 less than 80, he cannot open the account, right?
Yes, sir.
Or 18 or let's see. Let us just for an example I'm telling. Okay.
Yes.
So it will restrict. It should be more than that. Otherwise, one more thing also we can take an example like. So in the IRC, in the train and all, 60 plus people are having senior citizen facilities, right?
Yes, sir.
So there also it can be applied. In so many examples, we can see that.
Check the criteria, like we can apply this.
Yeah. If it is more than that or less than that, it will not allow. That is called, it will check it is, whether it is less than or more than that. Whatever you have given the limitation, accordingly
Yes.
it will work. That is called check constraint. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this concept you understood.
Yes.
Now we will have like foreign key. Next is foreign key. So foreign key means relationship between two tables. Okay. Relation between two tables. So it will accept duplicate value. It should be a primary key in other table. Any number of foreign key in a table. This is the rule for this. So we will understand about what is relation. I mean foreign key. Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, foreign key means, as the definition is saying that here, relationship between two tables. See, here you have two tables, okay?
Yes, sir.
One here, there is a table and this is a table, okay? This
Yes.
table is a parent table. This table is a child table, okay?
Yes, sir.
So, I will tell how it is parent and child and all. Then, it will accept duplicate value. It can be duplicate also, it will allow, and it should be a primary key in another table.
Yes, sir.
So this foreign key should be a primary key in another table. See, here one primary key is there. This is a foreign key. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is a primary key. So this foreign key should be a primary key for in a other table. This is also same. This is also same. See, city
Yes,
ID, city ID.
Yes, sir.
Both are same column name.
Yes, sir.
So if there is a foreign key, the same column should be a primary key in another
table.
table.
Yes, sir.
Okay, getting?
Yes,
so
sir.
let me just what is this concept is? So if you are running a business, okay,
Yes, sir.
you have a business in different cities.
Yes, sir.
Like you have a business in Chennai, you have a business in Pune, you have a business in Hyderabad, you have a business in Delhi. Okay.
Okay.
So this table will see that which is matching which year. Okay. For example, so if there is 10 is coming, it will allow. Okay. Because 10 is there for year. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So 20 is there, yes, 20 is there. 30 is there, yeah, 30 is there.
Yes, sir.
40 is there, yeah, 40 is there. Okay. Maybe here 30 two times it is repeated because in the same city, two customer may be there, right?
Yes, sir.
Yogesh and John. Okay.
Yes, sir.
But it cannot be 35, correct?
Yes, sir. Because it is not there in the primary key.
Yeah. So that is not there in the primary key. So you can make a limitation which city and all I am accessible. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is what here. So that is what actually this is a different table. We have because in real time
Yes,
all the tables is separately it is divided actually. say this is a customer table, this is a customer table, this is a city table, and another table will be there, it is a location table, another table will be there, different tables is there. In that case, it is a city table. Okay. So the foreign key, how it is supporting is, it is supporting like this. So it will see whether the same number is matching or not. If any other number is coming, it will not allow. That is what parent key. This is child key. That is why it is a parent key. Okay. So for example, in another example and all, before inserting the child table will check whether the same value is there in parent table. Otherwise, it won't allow.
Yes, sir.
This is called integrity. This is integrity between two tables.
Yes, sir.
So it will see its integrity. If you violating this, it will give a error. Like that is called integrity violation.
Yes, sir.
It will give a error as integrity violation. Okay.
Yes.
So in some cases, you can see some PAN card and all. You will have some numbers and all, right?
Yes, sir.
So they will be registered here. And if something else is, if they are trying with some other number, it will not allow. Only it will be allowed for only your PAN card or
Yes,
your
sir.
Aadhaar card. Okay. So this is what foreign key, and we will try with some. So child key, parent key. So we will create some tables. That's what I think the next thing. So data validation before inserting is and all done. So one more thing I wanted to say. So whatever we are doing today, you complete the exercise by today itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It should not be go for tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, it will become a burden for you. It will become a headache for you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So make sure that you clear the whatever we are giving the exercise. Day-to-day exercise I will give. Just clear it.
Yes, sir.
And go through that. If you are getting any problem with that, you just get back to me. I will clear it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So practice today, whatever we are doing today, you just practice today itself.
Okay.
So whatever we are doing today, tomorrow, you just complete it tomorrow itself.
Yes,
so never think that I am going to give the recording here so that you can do anytime. No, never think like that. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Because the mind is very lazy, we will not do that actually. Okay.
Yes.
If you keep on drag it will keep on drag only. Just
Yes,
make
sir.
it, put a limit. Yes, today it has to be done. It has to be done by today itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then only that will happen. If you keep for tomorrow, it will keep on delay. Okay.
Yes,
So data validation before inserting the data into the table. Okay. That is what whatever the constraints means. What is that constraints? Data validation before inserting the data into the
Yes,
table. That is called constraints. Okay.
Yes, sir.
It will do the validation whether it is correct or not. As
Yes,
per
sir.
the rule, it is matching with the rule or not, like that.
Yes, sir.
So integrity constraint violated. Okay, we'll create a table here. So this is what integrity constraint violated, parent key not found, like that it will come. So
Yes,
create table customer. We'll make a practice with these keys and all, primary key, not null, unique key, age and all, right? Whatever we spoken now, we will create a table and we will do the practice in real time. Practically, we will see that. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You understood what is theory about this primary key and not null and unique and age constraint and foreign key. Okay.
Yes.
So we will go through the practical now. So we will create some table, whatever you have this, you are able to see the screen, right?
Yes, sir. I can see.
Yeah. Okay. So let me copy this. One more thing. Since I have given this, don't copy and paste in the SQL developer. You try to type it as possible. Then only we get the practice. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So see here. Let me create this table. See, probably already this customer, in the name of customer, there is a table, I think, with me. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So let me see that. Select stop from customer. So there is a table already, it is there. Okay.
Yes, sir.
I will make it as customer 2. Okay. Customer 2, I don't think it will be there. Customer 2. Okay. So create
Yes,
table. So what is the synonymous here is, what they given is, while creating the table, we will mention like similarly like this only. Previously, when without keys and all, we have created the table previously, right?
Yes, sir.
Customer ID number, and we will mention the limit number. Okay, 6 or whatever. After that, you want to mention is primary key. Got it?
Yes, sir.
For customer ID, primary key. I
Yes,
showed
sir.
here, right?
Yes, sir.
Customer ID. Same
Yes,
only,
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Customer ID, primary key, and customer name is not null, like that.
Yes, sir.
So in real time, we'll do the practice. We'll do the we'll create it. So customer name worker 2, not null. So customer name should be not null.
Yes, sir.
You should understand what kind of data, which kind of what type of data, what type of key we have to given.
Yes, sir.
Whether it can be given primary key or it can be not null or unique, like that. Okay. So for age, we have to mention as age. So we have mentioned here as check age more than 18, right?
Yes, sir. That is
So,
the criteria.
yeah, that is the criteria. City ID number references city A. Okay. So you can do the practice with this. You are personally, you can sit and practice with this. Okay. Let
Yes,
me
sir.
also show here customer 2. Okay. I'll create a table here. Actually, it's supposed to be not allowed to create the table. Why, you know?
Why, sir?
Why means here I have given references.
Yes, sir.
City table.
Yes, sir.
City table initially it should not be there. No, already I have created, so it is created. Let me do one thing. I will drop this table once again. I will create. Okay. Drop
Yes,
table customer. So let us practice properly now. Drop table customer 2. So it is dropped. Select stop from customer 2 is not there now. So I will mention one thing. I will make it as city 2 now. Okay. City 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or we will do one thing. Let me delete that city table, or we will make it a city 2. Both are same, right? No difference. Huh? So let it be customer 2 and city 2. Okay. While you are practicing, you can make it as customer and city only. Okay. Since it is already existing in my system, I am mentioning as like this. Okay. So what I am doing is customer create table customer 2 and city 2. Okay. So let me create a table now. So table or view does not exist. What it is telling?
It does not exist.
We'll clear it. can go and clear it, whatever the previous history and all. Okay.
Yes,
Here. So it is simply a disturbance for us. So I just cleared it.
yes, sir.
So let me create once again. We will see the error, whatever is coming clearly now. Because
Yes,
if other and all is there, then it's a disturbance for us. See what it is saying.
Just starting.
So error report table or view does not exist. Which table is not exist? City2 table is not exist. Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is the meaning for this. The constraint. So why it is saying is we have to create first of all city2.
Yes, sir.
Then only we should create this, because if the parent table is there, then only it will allow for child table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
You should create first of all city2 here, because since you have given references. References means you got it right.
Yes, sir.
So you have given a reference here. That is what reference I told you, relationship between.
Yes, sir.
If this table you want to create, this table should be there. Then only it can do the reference with this, right?
Yes, sir.
Because we are making a reference with this table. Then only this function will happen, right? Whatever I said,
Yes, sir.
foreign key and for primary key. For that,
Yes,
we
sir.
have to create you must have a table of city first of all. So first of all, we will create a city table. Okay.
Yes, sir.
City table, how we create? Here they given clearly. So select start from this one. Create table city.
Yes, sir.
Create table city. Create table city 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
We are giving us city 2 now. Now it is allowing for city 2 creation. So then what we can do, city 2 is created now. Now we will create. You can make a check here. Select start from city. Once you can make a check. It is created, correct?
Yes, sir.
So similarly like this. Okay, same one.
Yes, sir.
Same table created. Now we will go for customer table. Let us insert the values also to the city. Okay. So the value also is there. So just copy paste it here. Or you want to type it actually. Then only you will get the practice. Okay. So while inserting, you want to insert one by one only. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Insert into city values. We have seen in the previous practice, like insert into city. In this format, we have seen, right?
Yes, sir.
Insert into city values, and you will mention the whatever your the column value. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we have only two values here, two columns here, so that 10 is a value and Chennai is a value. Okay. So
Yes,
I'm just inserting here. What it is saying? What it is saying?
Intensity. Just
Yeah.
something criteria is violated, it is saying.
Yeah. See, first of all, city 2 I want to give here, right? Insert into
Yes.
city 2.
Sir.
It is inserted. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then we will insert all like that. See, again here, city 2 I have not given, right? It is one saying that. It's inserted, city 2, inserted, city 2, inserted. So your city table completely ready now. Okay.
Yes.
Select start from city 2. You see, with data, you can able to see the table. It's got hang, I think. Yeah, sometimes it may go like this. Okay. Better to ಹೇಳಿ ಅಮನ್. Yeah. ಹೇಳಿ. Okay. ಮತ್ತೆ ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ ಶೂರ್. ಓಕೆ
Good.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನಾನು ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಓಕೆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಹಾ ಸರ್.
ಸೊ ಏನ್ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ವಿದೌಟ್ ಫೇಲ್.
Yes sir.
So make it day 1 and day 2 both, you try it out. Okay.
Okay sir.
Anywhere you are getting stuck, please get back immediately anytime. Okay.
Okay sir.
I will help you out at anytime.
Okay
So
sir.
you want to do it and you want to complete, you want to finish within 35 days, and we have to put the resume in the Naukri.
Yes sir.
In the 25th days, 5th day or 30th day. So we want to start attending the interview in the 35th day or the 30th day itself. Okay.
Okay sir.
You see the sample and all, how the questions they are asking. You can learn with the questions itself. You can learn with the interview itself. Okay.
Yes sir.
Within some 3-4 interviews, you have to crack it. That way you have to learn. That should be your motive. Okay.
Yes sir.
So you put your effort, and anyway you are not working now. It's a good opportunity for you to practice.
Yes sir.
So we practice. I have given the notes. Some more notes also is there. I will clear it. Okay.
Yes sir.
So just clear it out. Okay.
Yes sir.
Have a goal and set the goal and complete it. Okay.
Okay sir.
Okay. So we'll see tomorrow. Okay.
Yes sir.
Okay. We'll
Thank
wind
you.
up now. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.